Hi folks, welcome to this More4Apps presentation. Today we're going to be looking at our item cost wizard and more specifically OPM actual cost adjustments. After opening the spreadsheet, just choose the wizard mode from the list. We want to choose OPM actual cost adjustments. I'm now just going to double click to log in. You choose your instance, press login and enter your username and password. The wizard validates that you've actually got access with that responsibility to make the adjustment functions that we're doing today. So using this form I can enter data to create my adjustments, or I can just manually type the data in. So here I'll just choose the organisation and press OK, but I can actually put in data here so it automatically happens too for every line item that I'm working with today. So I want to use the PR1 organisation. I want to put in my cost type as PWAC, and I know the calendar I'm working in is 06PW. Now I could have used the user form to grab this information as well, or like I am here, I'm just typing it in. I also have a list of items that I happen to have on another spreadsheet, so I'm going to grab those items and I'm going to paste those in here. Now I've got my header information, I can go across and then go and create the information for the cost elements. So you can see here, this is where we want to create our adjustment type. We want to put in our analysis code, etc. in order to do our cost adjustments. So I'm going to do something very similar. I'm just going to populate the header information here. Again, I'm cheating a little bit. I'm pasting it in here using Excel from another sheet. And then of course I need to say a GL date that this is going to happen. As this data is from a while ago, I'm going to set that date all the way back to 2006. Now I have my items here and I've set out the date that I want. Now the only thing I need to do is set up my rate and adjustment amounts. So I'm just going to put in some values here for these adjustments. Now I have two options here. I can validate only and validate upload. This time let's just start with validate only. And you can see it defaulting the values for me. And if I come across here to the left, we'll see our status columns saying that's validated. So now we're happy with that. We can say validate and upload, and then we just choose the option upload all. And this here will then go and validate the data again, and then it will call the API. And you can see there, it's that easy creating the records for the cost adjustments. The wizard also tells you what's been loaded and what's been rejected, as well as the statuses here across on the left hand side. Now if we want to check that data in Oracle, we can simply choose one of the items that we've just loaded. We can put our calendar in. We can then choose our period, and of course the cost type that we're dealing with. And you can see there's the valuation change that we've made. You can see 200. And if we look at the record history, we'll see there's our adjustment. Now if we wanted to look at these adjustments themselves in the wizard, we'd just download some of these items here. And it's really simple, you just use the download from sheet functionality. And you'll see these records have come back. Now in some cases you may already have an adjustment there. You can see we have 500 and 550. They'll be applicable to the same item as we've used the item multiple times. So we can then go and apply another adjustment if we wish on those same items. And I'm just going to put something in the 700 range for those three. And obviously I don't need that last one. And then I can just run an upload there. And you can see that those records again have been accepted by Oracle. The wizard also supports other adjustment types. So if we take these three items here again, and let's say that we want to do another adjustment type. I can change that there to a value adjustment. You'll see there the adjustment quantity is no longer a valid field, so I'll just delete that out because I've taken a previous value. And I'll take that away from the defaulting up the top here. And we can do the same sort of thing with the other ones as well. You can see I have to put a value in here, so let's choose something like 1000. And let's perform that same sort of adjustment on all three records. And simply upload selected. And I need to include this one as well. And those value cost adjustments have now been made. So if we query our adjustments in Oracle, we'll see the others that we've made today, as well as that value cost adjustment that we've just made then. As well as the average cost adjustment, if we take those same records again, we can also make a unit cost adjustment. Now the unit cost adjustment is very similar to the average cost one. We can also again put our rate in, so we could use the 500 range for this one. And again, we can copy that to the other two items. And then upload all three. Again, we'll see that the values here have been accepted. And if we go into Oracle, we can see our unit cost adjustment as well with the application. So doing your actual cost adjustments is very easy in the wizard. You have that whole download functionality as well. So we can do a download. We can choose one of these items as an example here and see all those cost adjustments we've made.